Welcome to our YouTube channel. Okay, before we start, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell for more update. Okay, so let's start. Welcome to Cyberlink. Okay, so let's start for our tutorial. So this is HTML tutorial. First, we need to know about HTML. So, what is HTML? Hypertext Markup Language, or HTML, is the standard markup language for documents designed to display in a web browser. It can be assisted by the technologies such as Cascading Style Sheets or CSS and scripting languages such as JavaScript. Web browsers receive HTML documents from a web server or from local storage and render the documents into multimedia web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page, semantically and originally included cues for the appearance of the documents. Okay, so second, we need to know the tags of HTML. So here are the example of tags and its function. Of course, we have the tag, the tag name, the code example, and the browser view. Pero yung mga babanggitin ko na lang is yung mga name ng tags. Then you will see the tag codes, kung ano yung dapat ilagay. Okay, so we have the comment, the A, which is the anchor for the hypertext. We have the bold, big, body of document, line break, center, definition description or DD with the DL with definition list, definition term, emphasis, embed object, font with as in font face, we have the font size and we have the font color. Okay, so we also have form and we have a 6 headings. We have the heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the second one, and of course, creating a website using HTML, we need to know as well on how to create a hyperlink in HTML, which is, nabanggit natin kanina doon sa mga tags, kung paano yung hyperlink. So, how to create a hyperlink in HTML. So, you can click on a link and jump to another document. When you move the mouse over a link, the mouse arrow will turn into a little hand. Note, a link does not have to be text. It can be an image or any other HTML element. So, hindi lang daw basta text yung pwedeng i-ano as a link. So, pwede rin ng image or kahit anong HTML element. Hyperlinks as are defined with the HTML a tag. Okay, ayan yung example. Pwedeng maglagay ng any link kung saan gusto mo mapunta yung page kapag kinlik na yung on that part, like image or text or button or what, kung ano man yung gagamitan mo ng HTML element, nalalagyan mo ng link. Note, again, without a forward slash at the end of subfolder addresses, you might generate 2 requests to that server. Many servers will automatically add a forward slash to the end of the address and then create a new request. Okay, so of course, followed by on how to create a table in HTML. Okay, so we have the how to create the hyperlink, and this one is how to create a table in HTML para makagawa ka ng isang website. Okay, so move on. So an HTML table is defined with the table tags. Each table row is defined with the tr tag or table row. A table header is defined with the th tag. By default, table headings are bold and centered. The table data or a table data cell is defined with the td tag. So this is the example for a table data. Okay, so we have the table style, the tr, which is the table row, the th, which is the table headings, okay, the td with table data. Okay, so note, the td elements are the data containers of the table. They can contain all sorts of HTML elements, text, images, lists, other tables, or etc. And the last is I will teach you what is SVG. Okay, SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, or is used to define graphics for the web, is a WTC recommendation. Okay, the HTML SVG element or the HTML SVG elements is a container for SVG graphics. SVG has several methods for drawing, paths, boxes, circles, text, and graphic image. Okay, so ginagamit siya pang design ng isang website. Okay, so here are the SVG circle, the example of SVG circle. So we have the doc.html. Yan, yung normal na dapat nilalagay kapag gagawa ka ng website. So we have the SVG width, we have the 100 and the height is 100. And the circle, yung size ng circle niya is yung 50. So 50, 50. So row, green, stroke width 4, fill, yellow. So i-close yung SVG and then close ng body and then HTML. Okay, so after that, since you already have a little bit information about HTML, let's move on to our HTML sample or website sample using HTML. So before tayo kanina nag-proceed dun sa konting kaalaman about HTML, meron na tayong nagawang website sample. So ipakita ko sa inyo yung mga codes na ginamit dun sa dun sa website using HTML and sana makatulong sa inyo. So, una muna yung codes, papakita muna natin. So, bago natin pakita yung output niya. Okay, so, we have a home. So, this website is a beach resort, the Carlisle Beach Resort. So, this is the home. So, ayan, makikita nyo yung pangalan ng beach, which is the Carlisle. And then yung style niya, yung mga ginamit niya na styles. And then we have the home services, gallery, about, and contacts. So we have also a watch video and also the button for watch video. So for next is for our services. Here's our general services and amenities for our beach resort. So of course, di mawawala yung gallery. Okay, so we have a gallery. Of course, gallery, so we have pictures. So, yung mga pictures na gagamitin nyo, yung ilalagay nyo sa isang webpage, dapat nakalagay siya dun sa isang folder. Dapat magkakasama sila. So, this, the codes, tapos yung mga style na ginamit mo na codes din, and of course, yung mga pictures, videos, nasa iisa siyang folder. Kagaya nito. Ayan. So, website sample, nasa isa siyang a folder. Okay, so, moving on, so we have a about. So, about the Carlisle Beach Resort. So, kung ano yung gagawin yung website. So, meron yung ganyan. So, another one is yung contact. Of course, so we have a contact. So, here's our contact for our Carlisle Beach Resort. And the last one is yung button na watch video. So, ito yung source niya. So, dapat nakasave din siya dun sa isang folder. So, hope sana makatulong sa inyo yung mga codes na yun. So, let's see kung ano yung magiging itsura niya dun sa ating sample. Okay? So, let's see the sample. Here we are. Okay, ayan yung ating sample. So, we have the logo here. And then, we have the Carlisle Beach Resort. Ayan yun. Ayan. And then, ito yung watch video. So, we have the home, services, gallery, about, and contacts. Kapag makinlik mo yan, lalabas, of course, yung kung ano nakapalog doon. So, we have the gallery. Ayan, yung mga pictures. We have the about. And then, balik ulit tayo sa home. So, balik tayo sa home. And then, ito yung watch video na nakasave din doon sa isang folder. Pag pinanood natin yung watch video, ayan siya. Okay. So, hindi na natin siya papanoodin. Okay. So, ayan yung ating sample layout. So, okay. So, that's it for now. So, hope that this video can help you to make a website using HTML. Okay. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates.